This is a neuron. A neuron is the most basic unit of life in our brain, and its job is to communicate and send information to other neurons. The neuron receives its information from the dendrites. That information then travels down from the dendrite to the soma, or the cell body. In the soma, you can find the nucleus that houses our DNA. After that information is processed, new information is sent from the soma to the axon. The axon is covered by a myelin sheath, and on top is the oligodendrocyte that produces that myelin sheath that insulates and speeds up the nerve impulse, the information being sent out to get to the synaptic cleft. The action of the axon sending a signal to the synaptic cleft is called firing. A synapse is a communication point between two neurons, and that communication happens at the synaptic cleft, where chemicals are released and sent towards the dendritic spine, which picks up the communication, and the process repeats itself all over again. A toxin is a molecule that stops the synaptic cleft from communicating with another neuron, which could cause sleepiness, paralysis, and sometimes death. There are many different types of synapses. There are axosomatic synapses, which is the axon directly sending information to the soma. Axospinodendric synapses, which the axon sends signals to the dendritic spine. Axodendric synapses, a synapse that sends signals directly from the synapse to the dendrite. And axospinodendric, which is a synapse of one axon communicating to the other axon that sends signals to the dendritic spine. There are also many different types of neurons, such as a unipolar neuron and a bipolar neuron. This model is an example of a multipolar neuron characterized by its multiple dendrites. This has been all about a neuron. I hope you enjoyed it.